Creating short, high-performing videos from long footage is quickly becoming the absolute must-have skill for every creator today. Whether you run a small business, make content for social media, or just want to turn your big ideas into bite-sized clips, you will definitely look back and wish you had started doing this sooner. That is exactly why I want to give you a clean, simple starting point instead of the usual chaos people run into when they try to chop up long videos on their own. By the time you finish this, you will understand the basic approach to turning long-form footage into viral clips, the specific tool I recommend for doing it fast, and how to go from raw footage to scheduled posts without spending hours learning complicated software. No weird jargon or magic prompting involved here, just practical, reliable steps that you can actually repeat over and over again. First, let us get the fundamentals out of the way regarding how people usually talk about repurposing video content. Most creators usually do it in one of two ways: manual editing or leveraging AI-assisted auto-editing tools. Manual editing is fine if you absolutely love staring at timelines and mastering two-hand keyboard shortcuts, but let's be honest, it is slow and frustratingly inconsistent. You will get good clips eventually, but it takes precious time, learned skill, and a whole lot of guesswork about what might actually perform well. AI-assisted auto-editing is entirely different because it changes the game completely. Instead of scrubbing through hours of footage, you simply give the system your long video and it intelligently finds the moments that actually matter. It pinpoints the emotional beats, the punchlines, and the call-to-action moments, and automatically turns them into ready-to-post clips. The real difference here is control versus speed. Manual gives you complete control but costs too much time. AI gives you speed and consistency, and the best tools still let you tweak the results so nothing feels completely out of your hands. If you want reliable results fast, you need to focus on three things: picking the right moments, packaging them in a platform-ready format, and publishing them consistently. That is exactly where a tool like Vizard really shines for content creators. Let us walk through this like you are sitting right next to me. Imagine you have a long 20-minute interview or a dense, lengthy live stream that you need to cut down. Your first step is simple. Just upload the file to Vizard. The platform automatically scans the entire footage and highlights clips that are statistically likely to do well based on engagement signals. It looks for emotional peaks, sudden topic changes, emphatic lines, and natural, funny punchlines. It is not just guesswork, because the AI is specifically looking for moments that actually cause viewers to react. Next, the auto-editing feature picks those viral parts and turns them into polished, ready-to-post videos. That means it trims the fat, adds smart zooms, reframes for vertical platforms like TikTok or Reels, and auto-generates perfect subtitles. You can preview dozens of clip options in just minutes and pick the ones that perfectly match your unique brand voice. If you want to tweak anything like tightening a cut or changing a caption, it is incredibly fast and simple to adjust. You are certainly not stuck with some weird cookie-cutter output that looks like everyone else's. A huge pain point for creators is not the editing itself, but the scheduling and consistency required to grow. You can create a brilliant clip and then completely forget to post it, or worse, post so inconsistently that you lose all your momentum. That is exactly why the auto-schedule feature is an absolute game changer for your workflow. Simply set how often you want to post, whether it is daily or 3 times a week, and the tool handles the rest. You do not have to babysit posting times or constantly juggle social media calendars anymore. Everything is queued up for you automatically, so you can focus on creating rather than manual labor. And speaking of calendars, the built-in content calendar is where things finally stop being messy and chaotic. Instead of having scattered files and random notes everywhere, you have one single place to see, edit, and approve everything. You can reschedule a post with simple drag and drop, review captions, swap out thumbnails, or pause a campaign if you need a change. It is all centralized so you or your team can actually stay organized and move fast. For teams that collaborate, having everything in one place saves an enormous amount of back and forth communication. Now, I do not want to pretend every all-in-one system is created equal because I have tried a ton of them. Some platforms have clunky interfaces, missing features, or they push you toward pricey subscriptions for basic things. Others make you work on completely different websites, upload here, edit there, schedule somewhere else, which just means you spend more time switching tabs. Some tools also overpromise on the AI aspect but end up giving you low-quality cuts or weird cropping that completely kills the vibe. Compare that to solutions focused only on generative video or image-to-video, which are cool for building from scratch but not optimized for repurposing. Those tools are not built to take your existing, high-quality, long-form content and turn it into a steady, reliable stream of social-ready clips. And other editing suites might do manual trims well, but they lack smart clip selection or auto-scheduling, which is exactly what kills creators trying to scale. Vizard is not perfect for building an entirely synthetic video from zero, and you won't use it to animate images into cinematic scenes. But if your goal is to convert your existing long-form library into short, high-engagement clips, it is one of the absolute best tools available. The trade-off is simple. You have to use the right tool for the job you are trying to accomplish. For repurposing and distribution, Vizard gives you the fastest, most repeatable path to success. Let me show you how this plays out in the real world with a practical example. Say you filmed a candid day in the life vlog with coffee, a walk, and some funny life commentary. Manually, you might pull 3 or 4 clips and post them once a week, which is slow. With Vizard, you upload the full video. The AI suggests 20 clips, and you choose the best 6 to post. You tweak the captions, pick your thumbnails, and schedule them to go out every other day for the next 2 weeks. Now you have consistent feed activity without spending an hour every morning editing from scratch. Another example, you have a long interview with a guest who drops several memorable quotable moments. Vizard detects those moments, those aha lines, and makes short clips with auto captions instantly. Then you can create compilation posts, carousel posts, or story teasers, all from that same source video. That kind of repurposing turns one piece of long-form content into weeks of steady social activity. A lot of creators also worry about quality, but Vizard's pipeline keeps the final export platform ready and sharp. You can choose your aspect ratios, add stylish captions, and export at high bit rates so your clips look crisp on any feed. People always ask about voiceovers and extra polish, but the real key here is speed and scale. You do not need perfect, overproduced content to win. You need consistent, authentic clips that hit the right points. Vizard helps you make those authentic clips fast so you can get back to your life. Let us be real for a second. If you wait to learn all of this later, you will fall behind. The creators who nail repurposing now will have a huge advantage because they will be faster, more consistent, and save money on editors. Meanwhile, everyone else is bouncing between apps, guessing which model is best, or paying several expensive subscriptions just to post 1 clip a day. That is absolutely exhausting and, quite frankly, very expensive in the long run. So, if you want a practical path to consistently pumping out content, follow this simple playbook. First, upload your long-form video to Vizard. Second, let the auto-editing viral clips feature scan and suggest the best highlights. Third, pick and tweak the specific clips you like best. Fourth, use the auto-schedule feature to line them up across your platforms. Fifth, manage and refine everything directly in the content calendar. Do this for just a month and you will see actual results, I promise. It is not rocket science, it is just consistent application of a solid system. When a system makes the process simple, you will actually keep doing it. That is how channels grow. Repeated, focused output over a long period. If you have been jumping between 5 different sites, dealing with slow uploads or paying for features you barely use, stop that now. Try consolidating your entire workflow into one place. Give Vizard a spin and see how much time you save every single week. There are no gimmicks here. Just a cleaner way to get more posts out of the content you already have. Bottom line, repurposing long videos into short clips is now a core skill for every creator and marketer. Learn a solid workflow, pick tools that make it repeatable, and do not overcomplicate the process. If you are serious about scaling your channel or social presence, Start treating long-form content like a content factory. It means one upload, multiple high-quality outputs, and a simple schedule to keep the audience coming back for more. If you want help walking through your first Vizard project, uploading, selecting clips, and setting a 2-week cadence, I can guide you. Try it on just one episode of content and you will see how much that 1 hour of setup pays back in saved time and new reach.